Good morning, student. Let us see the next part of this chapter vector is section formula. There are two types of section formulae, internal division and external division. Internal section formula and external section formula. First, we will see what is meant by internal section formula. Theorem number 5. Let A in bracket A bar is the position vector of point A and B bar be any 2 points in a space, and R small r bar be point on the line segment AB dividing internally in the ratio m:n. Then prove that r bar is equal to mb bar plus na bar upon m plus m. According to the given, we will draw first diagram. Let this is point A and this is point B in a space. Position vector of point A is A bar, position vector of point B is B bar given. There is a point R on the segment AB such that is the point R whose position vector is R, which divides AB in the ratio m:n. That is isn't it, in this way. Take any, this is origin. Therefore, this become A bar, this become R bar with respect to A bar is the position vector of point A with respect to origin O, R bar is the position vector of point R with respect to origin O, and B bar is the position vector of point B with respect to origin O, isn't it? Given here, given that R is a point on the line segment, on the segment seg AB, that is how this is point A R B. This shows that point R divides AB internally in the ratio AB. That is AR bar and RB bar are in the same direction. Their directions are same, isn't it? Therefore, and given that R is a point on the segment AB such that AR bar and RB bar are in the same direction, divides AB in the ratio m:n. Therefore, we can write AR bar AR upon RB is equal to m upon n, isn't it? Therefore, we have n into AR is equal to m into RB. Also, n into AR bar and M into RB bar are in same direction. Therefore, we can write here n into AR bar is equal to M into RB bar. N into AR bar means OR bar minus OA bar. M into RB bar means OB bar minus OR bar. Now, and as it is, OR bar means R bar, position vector of point R, minus OA bar means A bar is equal to M into OB bar means B bar minus OR bar means small r bar. Do multiplication n into R bar minus n into A bar is equal to M into B bar minus M into R bar. Now, we transfer M R bar to the left side and N A bar to the right side. Therefore, we have M R bar plus N R bar is equal to M B bar plus N A bar. Now, R bar is common here, isn't it? Therefore, we can write M plus N into R bar is equal to M B bar plus N A bar. Therefore, R bar is equal to M into B bar plus N into A bar upon M plus N. Hence, proved. Hence, in this way, we can prove internal section formula. Once again, I am repeating. Let A bar and B bar be any 2 points in the space and R bar be the point on the line segment AB. Divides internally in the ratio M is to N. Then prove that R bar is equal to MB bar plus NA bar upon M plus N. These are our 2 points in a space AB. Join this. R is the point between A and B which divides seg AB in the ratio M is to N. O is the origin. Therefore, position vector of point A is A bar. Position vector of point R is R bar. Position vector of point B is B bar. Here we can write this is B bar, isn't it? Now, given that R is the point on segment AB such that AR bar and RB bar are in same direction and point R divides AB in the ratio M is to N given. Therefore, we can write AR upon RB is equal to M upon N. Do cross multiplication. N into AR is equal to M into B bar RB. Also, N into AR and M into RB are in same direction. They are in same direction. Therefore, we can write NA bar is equal to M into RB bar. Now, N into A bar means N in bracket OR bar minus OA bar. AR bar means OR bar minus OA bar is equal to M into RB bar means OB bar minus OR bar. Therefore, we have N in bracket OR bar means R bar, OA bar means A bar is equal to M into OB bar means B bar minus OR bar means R bar. do multiplication, n r bar minus n a bar is equal to m into b bar minus m into r bar. Now transfer m r bar to the left side and n a bar to the right side. We get m r bar plus n r bar is equal to m b bar plus n a bar. R bar is common, therefore m plus n into r bar is equal to m b bar plus n a bar. Therefore r bar is equal to m b bar plus n a bar upon m plus n. In this way we can prove internal section formula, isn't it? Let us see one note. Suppose R is a midpoint of AB bar, segment AB, and R divides AB in the ratio m is to n. Here R is midpoint, therefore value of m is to n is 1 is to 1, isn't it? Therefore we put m is equal to 1, n is equal to 1 here. We get R bar is equal to 1 into B bar plus 1 into A bar upon 1 plus 1 means 2. That is R bar is equal to A bar plus B bar upon 2, which is nothing but the midpoint formula. This is called as midpoint formula. Then what we learn here? AB is a segment, R is the midpoint of segment AB, then R bar is equal to A bar plus B bar upon 2. This is called as midpoint formula, isn't it? Now we will see section formula but external division. Let us see theorem number 6. Let A bar and B bar be any 2 points in the space, and R bar be the third point on the line segment AB. Divide the segment AB externally in the ratio m is to n. Then prove that R bar is equal to mb bar minus na bar upon m minus n. Let us prove this. Prove. Given the point R bar divides seg AB externally. Therefore, we have position of point A, B and R, A, B, R, or R, A, B, isn't it? Let us assume that position of point A, B, R are in A, B, R in this manner, and given that AR bar is to BR bar is equal to M is to N, isn't it? Therefore, AR bar upon BR bar is equal to M is to N, isn't it? Also, this implies that N into AR bar is equal to m into br bar. N into ar bar and m into br bar have same direction. Therefore, we have n into ar bar is equal to m into br bar. We can write that is n into or bar minus oa bar is equal to m into or bar minus o b bar, isn't it? N into r bar means r bar minus a bar is equal to m into r bar minus b bar. Do multiplication n into r bar minus n into a bar is equal to m into r bar minus m into b bar. Now we transfer this to the left side and this to the right, this to the left side and this to the right side. Therefore, we have mb bar minus n a bar is equal to mr bar minus nr bar. Therefore, mb bar minus na bar is equal to m minus n into r bar. Therefore, mb bar minus na bar upon m minus n is equal to r bar. In this way, we proved external division. Hence, proved, isn't it? Therefore, r bar is equal to mb bar minus na bar upon m minus n. When point r divide externally, then we have minus. When point r divide internally in the ratio, then we have plus. Plus and minus, keep in mind. Now, let us see centroid formula. Before seeing centroid formula, try to understand what is meant by centroid. This is a triangle ABC. AD is a median, B is a median, and CF is a median. Median means a line segment joining midpoints of opposite sides of triangle. This is D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC, and F is the midpoints of AB. Then these medians intersect at a common point G. That point G is called as centroid of triangle ABC, which is denoted by capital G, and position vector of point G is small g bar. Let A bar be the position vector of point A, B bar be the position vector of point B, C bar be the position vector of point C, and G bar be the position vector of point G, which is the centroid. Then centroid formula is G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon 3. Isn't it? Keep in mind this formula, centroid formula. Which is the centroid formula? A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon 3. G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon 3. This is the centroid formula. Let us see the centroid formula for tetrahedron. First, try to understand what is meant by tetrahedron. A, B, C, and this is point D. These are the three. This figure is called as tetrahedron, whose base is triangle and vertical surface is also in the form of triangle. This is one triangle, second, third, and fourth. This is called as tetrahedron. Now, centroid of tetrahedron means if we join the midpoints and opposite vertex, if we join the midpoint of this triangle and opposite vertex, this is a 1. Suppose this is the midpoint of this triangle, then join this and midpoint of this, join this, then we get here these three medians of tetrahedron meet at a single point. This is called as centroid of tetrahedron, which is denoted by G. Suppose, let, and this is also, this is joined by an opposite side also. This is a centroid of tetrahedron, isn't it? Which is denoted by G. A bar, B bar, C bar, and this is D bar. A bar, B bar, C, point A, B, C, and D are the vertices of tetrahedron, isn't it? There are 4 vertices to the tetrahedron. Let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, G bar be the position vector of point A, B, C, D, and G. Then centroid is given by G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar upon 4. This is the formula for centroid of tetrahedron, isn't it? In this way, we complete theoretical part of the exercise 5.2. Next, we start exercise. In coming video, we start exercise 4.2, which is completely based on this topic: section formula, midpoint formula, centroid formula, and centroid formula of tetrahedron, isn't it? In coming video, we will solve exercise 5.2. Okay.